Hi, hosts. This is Denise from the Hospitable.com support team, and today I will be showing you how to create different answers to a question depending on when it is asked. When creating automatic answers to questions, we strongly advise you to review the stage of the reservation that an answer is set for, especially for categories in which an answer only makes sense during a specific stage. Let's say you want to answer questions about Wi-Fi. First, you'll need to create a question rule. Just go to Guest Experience, Questions, and select the Wi-Fi category. When answering questions about Wi-Fi, your responses while a guest is staying will be very different from your responses if they haven't even booked a reservation yet. During their stay, you might want to share your Wi-Fi password or any troubleshooting tips. Before they've booked, you might want to brag about your Wi-Fi speed or how your home is a lag-free zone. In this example, I have shared my Wi-Fi name and password, so we want this to be relevant during the guest's stay. To do that, just go to Settings, check the box This reply is relevant, and choose the stage of the reservation, which in this case will be while the guest is staying. And now you're done. So this answer will only be sent if the question is detected during the relevant stage. We hope this tutorial will help you get the most out of Hospitable.com. If you have any additional questions, feel free to message us. Happy hosting!